show you how to load an outbound order. First, go to recycling at the top, click outbound orders in the flyout menu. Once you click outbound orders, you're taken to the main outbound order page where you can view all the outbound orders that are in the system. You notice these tabs at the top: pending, partially loaded, completed, and canceled. This is where you can click the different tabs and see the different statuses of the orders. So if I click partially loaded, it would show all my orders that I've started the load process but didn't complete. Completed, I would see completed outbound orders, and of course pending, I can see all the open orders that have not started the loading process. So I'm going to stay on the pending tab, and I'm going to click my first order here, outbound order 10,090 for customer ABC123. So I selected it by single clicking, and then I'm going to click the load button at the top left. Once I click the load button, I'm taken to the load outbound order page, and if you notice at the top, there's the primary details about the order, like the customer name, the order number, order date, the rep that created the order, the warehouse it's tied to, the shipping method, which is truck, the shipping option, which is our trucking, the truck type. So we have our 24-foot truck assigned to it. So you can create trucks in the system and then assign trucks to orders. And in this case, we used our 24-foot truck. And then we have the estimated weight, 5,000 pounds, and estimated pallet count, 5. If you look at the status pending at the top right, you'll see an item count field. So once we start adding our lots, that item count is going to increase. Also, there's a loaded weight progress bar. So if you see, there's 0 out of 10,500 pounds at the moment. And where we get that 10,500 pounds is because once we add that truck in the system, we add a max weight to the truck, and we have a max weight of 10,500 pounds. The purpose behind this is when you're loading lots on the order, you don't want to exceed that max weight for the truck. In this case, we look like we should be fine by saying estimated weight 5,000 and a max load weight of 10,500. On the right, you have a place to add attachments, and if you scroll down, you have order comments and loading notes if you need to apply any notes on this order. Okay, so there's two ways to start loading your truck. You can either click in the lot number field here and choose a lot that's in the system. In this case, we'll say lot 386. Then you can see the details about the lot, like the commodity name, the weight, the tear, if there was an item count, and then of course the net weight. Once you have your lot selected, click add. And we just added lot 386 to this outbound order. As you can see at the top, it's been partially loaded, and we've loaded one lot so far, and we have 500 pounds out of 10,500 max. Another way to do it is if you go into your inventory detail, and we have these tabs here to show the workflow in which the lots are in. If you have a specific workflow to only ship out goods on an outbound order, like maybe a final stage or a finished goods, you can click on final, see all your lots that are in the system, and then you can copy a lot. So I'm going to use 1516. I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to click in, click enter, and I can do a quick add by adding the lot number in this way. If I go to add in a wrong lot number and then click add, you're going to get prompted with a message that's saying that lot isn't in the system. Or you might add in a lot number that was on a previous order and you thought that that lot was still in the system. You're still going to get prompted with that exclamation point. Another way to do this is actually by scanning the pallet ID on the label. So if you have a station set up at your docks, what you can do is have your guys take their wireless scanner, go up to the pallet ID, scan in the lot, and it's going to automatically add it in. So it's really quick, whether you're doing it as a user and you're just adding in the lot numbers, or if you're doing it from the warehouse and scanning in the pallet IDs. The loading process is very simple, and once you're finished, click the loading complete. It's going to move the status of the order to loading complete. Click yes, and you've just loaded your outbound order. For more helpful videos, check out our YouTube channel, or you can always email us at support@razorerp.com.